everyone, my name is Lauren Gaw, and this is another episode of Life Above the Clouds. It is officially fall, which means pumpkin spice everything. So today, I am going to show you how to make these pumpkin spice caramel popcorn balls. They are delicious and yummy and gooey, and there's pumpkin spice, so everything warm and cozy about the fall is right here in this little ball of popcorn. To start, we are going to set a large saucepan on medium-high heat, and we are going to melt our corn syrup, brown sugar, butter, and salt. Today, I am using 3 tablespoons of regular butter and 1 tablespoon of my cannabis butter. So that's 4 tablespoons total. If you want a stronger popcorn ball, then go ahead and put more cannabis butter in there. Simmer your mixture over medium-high heat and stir constantly until it starts to boil. Once it starts to boil, slowly stir in your sweetened condensed milk. This is when a candy thermometer is going to come in handy. You want your caramel to reach 235 to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. At that temperature, your caramel is still going to be really soft when it cools down. I personally like caramel when it's nice and gooey and makes these popcorn balls really chewy. The higher the temperature, the harder the caramel is going to be in the end. Definitely don't overcook your caramel. Once your caramel reaches 235 degrees, remove it from the heat and add your vanilla extract, your cinnamon, and your pumpkin spice, and mix it in until it's all combined really well. Be really careful because your caramel is going to be really hot. Pour your caramel over the 12 cups of already popped popcorn. Very, very carefully mix your caramel into the popcorn until all of the popcorn is evenly coated. Now this is where the fun begins. Spray your 1 cup measure really well with non-stick cooking spray as well as your hands and rub it all around because you don't want the caramel to get all over your hands. And trust me, it already will. If the non-stick spray isn't working, you can also keep a bowl of ice water on hand and dip your hands in between every ball that you form. I like to make my balls 1 cup because they fit my cupcake liner perfectly, and I think 1 cup is a really good size for eating. So use your 1 cup to scoop 1 cup of caramel popcorn. It doesn't have to be exact, but we're trying to keep all of our popcorns to be the same size because we want the same serving size for everyone. So make your balls 1 cup at a time, forming them gently, and lay them out on tin foil or wax paper to cool. Once they're cool, you can put them in a little cupcake liner, or you can wrap them in wax paper or plastic wrap to give them out as gifts. And this is our finished popcorn ball. These are so fun to make and fun to eat, and they make the perfect Halloween gift. And adding the pumpkin spice makes them perfect for October or November. So obviously, we need to try this. Excuse me while I chew. The caramel is so yummy and chewy, which is the way I love caramel. So I love that nice gooiness when you pull it apart. And I added 1 tablespoon of cannabis butter, and honestly, I can't smell it, I can't taste it. So definitely warn everybody that there's cannabis in it. Thanks for watching this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any ideas for upcoming recipes that you want to see, be sure to leave them in the comment section below because I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again. See you next time. I'm gonna eat more popcorn. These are seriously so good.